There's a few of our staff that perhaps have had more debt than they would have liked to, and they've been able to speak about that and have been helped to consolidate their debt.
We have had a couple of staff who have been in financial difficulties, and through working with this scheme and Stockport Credit Union, they've been able to, a long way down the road, have been able to resolve those financial issues.
With some of our staff that came to us just about emergency funds or short-term loans, and that kind of rang alarm bells for us, where we thought, you know what, I think we need a bit of support.
From an employer's perspective, ultimately the people can be off with stress-related illness, and having a credit union can often help people just manage their lives a bit better, and if that reduces their stress outside work, it can have a positive impact in work.
I think all employers should be aware of the benefits of working with a credit union. I think that it's a great benefit to offer employees, help putting some money away for a rainy day and saving for those times when the expenditure is going to go up, such as Christmas. I think everyone should be aware. It's a great benefit.
Good to know that there's money there if I need it. I'm actually saving up for a car. I'm wanting to save up and be able to have enough money to go out and buy a car outright rather than finance.
The payroll deduction itself is, I would say, a real encouragement where employees know it's gone, they forget about it. The net pays what's in their bank, and along with that, they've actually put some away, well, we've put it away for them, into a savings account. It's really, I think it helps them save for longer.
It gets deducted from my wages every month straight into the credit union.
It's very simple. What I've tried to do is to keep it to a basic minimum for the employer, because I know how busy they are.
The administration each month is really simple. We basically get a spreadsheet that tells us if anybody's joined or changed their contributions, which we can upload onto our system quite easily. Then once we've deducted it, we just download whatever anybody has contributed and forward it onto the credit union, and then they do all the work.
Employers benefit because they can show their employees that they're thinking about ways of helping them, and sometimes it may not be possible to help by giving a pay rise, for example, or more paid benefits, but this is a simple and cheap benefit that an employer can set up quite quickly, and yet the benefit to employees in terms of helping them manage their money can be really substantial.
The staff do feel valued through this scheme. They can see that we've set up the partnership, and I think they're comfortable that they know the payments are going to come out of their salary each month, and they're very comfortable that they're working with an organisation such as Stockport Credit Union, because they're a friendly organisation that you can speak to, unlike some other organisations that you might go to for loans.
All employers, whether small, medium or large, should seriously consider giving their staff access to a credit union, building a partnership with their local credit union, and taking it as part of not only their social responsibilities but being a good employer, and also recognising that perhaps it's a facility that for their staff will open up opportunities for them that perhaps isn't available in the wider financial institutions.
Probably the best thing I've done so far. Straight away there and then started saving and no look back.